Okay, so suppose if you want to create such kind of designs, how can we utilize subdivision tools? So here is the subdivision tool available. So it's advanced ready-made subdivision tool which is apart from surface modeling and solid modeling. So let's move everything to the layer and let's start from the basic. Okay, so first of all you need to create this polylines. Okay, before that let's make one square from the zero. Okay, let's make one square 50 by 50. Okay, y square because we need exact dimensions. So let's make another line from 0. So 0 to this corner and up to this corner. Second line is from this corner to this corner. Okay, now let's explore this rectangle. So here is the explode. Now select this and see if we want to apply loft. So here there are two types of loft. One is simple loft and the another one is a subdivision loft, so both having the difference. For right now I have selected these two lines only and then apply subdivision loft. So I want to cross section from here to here. So see currently its corners are not connecting each other, so we will apply this option corners. Now I want to add segments to this cross section, so I have turned on this option and specify you need 5 by 5 or you can say 4 by 6. So it is depend on your cross section and which type of cross section you want to generate. Okay, so after this completion select this surface means subdivision surface. You need to turn on your points on. So here is the points on option, so it will turn on the all points on this surface. Now select one by one which points you want to make up and down. Let's select. If you have this kind of selection choice, you need to select which portion you want to select. This is subdivision full object or only control point. So step by step you can select your all subdivision points. Okay, now this is your gumball. See in Rhino there is a different modified method for setting this gumball at this origin position. So here is the white small circle. Click on that. Relocate gumball. This is your first point and make sure this is your right axis. So first click and this is second click. Now you need to specify your second direction. So I have turned on shift key. I have turned on this ortho option by pressing shift key. So I'm assigning second direction as a vertical and keep pressing shift key for this ortho movement. Okay, so I have set this gumball at this position and now rotate. So this way it will rotate. Only selected points will be rotated from this center. Okay, now I want to move these top points at some particular position. So select this and adjust according to your shape requirement. Okay, now let's move them. Okay, don't make anything unexpected. So if you are going to step by step with your targeted points move, okay, make sure the points which you have selected are only moving. Now go to top view. See if I don't make proper square and if I don't make dimensionally properly, means in proper way, the shape will not going to define or that could be a chances of errors. So this way I have just defined my expected shape. Now select and go to top view. Now specify array polar. This is my 0, or you can also type in here is a 4 number of pattern and 360-degree, and this way you go to perspective and check that your shape is as per your requirement. Now go and check your render view. Okay, this is a perfect groove and this is up and down curvature is perfect as per my requirements. Now so now go to normal view, shaded view, select them. Okay, let's make first small plane. for a reference to generate for flow along surface option. So let's make 3 point. This is first, second, and third point option. And you can toggle your view by pressing tab key. So again, tab key for final solution and then move it aside. Okay. Let's make little bit distance so we can select properly our bottom plane which we have created now. So let's bring it little bit upside. Okay, this gap is fine. Now let's make one subdivision cylinder. So cylinder having face options available. So see here, type in radius must be 80 and enter and specify your height. Okay. So here I can see this face cross section means face which is available only in subdivision option. And now suppose I want to set my this particular portion as a flow along surface here and select this base surface and this is my target surface. Got it? Now tap and check it is perfectly set. Now go to top view and select that surface. Now make it array polar 0 and number of array is 8. Yeah, and make sure it is perfectly connected with each other. So now go to perspective view and by this view you can select all of them and make sure it is shaded so you can select perfectly. Now type in array linear from this point. Okay, this is number of items I want 4 and from this base point to this base point. Okay, this way you can select and create your desired shape and go to render and check it. Okay, and type in turn table, it will rotate as per your speed. Thank you.